Hi everyone, welcome to ZW3D Get Started tutorial. My name is Liu Zhang from the ZWSoft Overseas Technical Team. This course is specially designed to help SolidWorks users like you quickly adapt to ZW3D. Our goal is to make your transition as smooth as possible, saving you time and avoiding unnecessary detours. Throughout this series, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started, step by step. So let's dive in and explore what ZW3D can do for you. In this tutorial series, we'll guide you step by step to transition from SolidWorks to ZW3D. Across all the videos, we'll cover 5 key dimensions: basic operation, fundamental features, advanced features, tips and tricks, and the case study. The course objectives is to help you switch to ZW3D design in the shortest time with the least functions. Finally, let's take a quick look at the overall training outline. This course covers the following key modules: UI and operations, sketching, solid modeling, sheet metal, 2D drawing, and assembly design. These modules run through the entire course to help you master ZW3D core features and applications. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced designer, this course is designed to help you explore the powerful capabilities of ZW3D more efficiently. Now let's start your learning journey.